Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another weekly plan with me. This one is in my bullet journal using this mini / bullet journal kit. This week's kit is called Movie Night and it has this kind of comic book pop art type feel to it. So there's the first page and the second, third page and the final page. So this kit goes really well with my monthly cover, which is here. So I'm going to stick with these colours for kind of the background of this spread. I'm going to use my trusty Staedtler Pigment liners and some watercolour. Okay, and that's it really. I might have to flick my old bullet journal out so I can kind of see what layout I've been using to make sure that I stick with that. Oh, the only other thing is I need to get out a jar sticker. Have I got any that have got days of the week on? Which I've been using to track my sourdough and what I'm making and what I'm baking, so I don't kind of lose track of that. So kit, this, and that's kind of it. So I'm going to stop chatting and get going. Okay, so here's my final spread. I have my meal plan, to-do list, and it'll be lockdown week 8, I think. Week 7? Week 7. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. I have a space here to track my sourdough and my goals for the week. I'll quickly flick through and show you what I have left of the kit. So I have a couple of bits of deco, some checklists, a half box and some icons, some quarter boxes and appointment labels, some more half boxes, quarter boxes, headers, weekend banner, icons, most of this sheet, so lots of little things, and some half boxes and checklists and flags, and I use the dated jar sticker. So I'm going to pop this in here because I'll use this throughout the week. There we go. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, click the like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye! Okay, so new releases for this week are my movie night kit. So this is the full kit. This is made for the Erin Condren Life Planner, but it also fits kind of happy planners and other planners like that. And each of these sheets is available a la carte as well. So this is the full boxes. And little things, check boxes, half boxes, the date covers and the bottom washi, the deco and the headers. It's also available as a mini / bullet journal kit, and this is the type of kit that I use in my own bullet journal. So there's the first page and the second page and the third page and the final page. And finally, it's available as a Hobo Weeks kit. So we have 1 page, 2 pages, and 3 pages. So all of those will be available on Saturday. Bye!